I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Hi all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today you all, we have an exciting video. Today's all about this look that you see right here, right before your eyes, okay? I had so much fun creating this entire look for you all, featuring brand new products that I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale 2024. Skincare, makeup, so on and so forth. So if you all are interested to see how I got this look and all the items I picked up, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so let's start off with hydrating the lips. I picked up the newly released for the holidays, the lip oils by Fenty Skin. This is their fruit quenchers. It includes the Kalahari melon, the existing Barbados cherry, and the newly released passion fruit. So this is the one that I'm going to try today. Super cute with a passion fruit on the package, and I love the color. Of course, I'm a purple, family lover. This smells absolutely amazing, just like passion fruit. Oh my goodness. I hope that Rihanna releases this by itself because chef's kiss, they did a good job on this one. Next, I had to pick up another favorite repurchase from the sale, the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat Pencil in the shade Black Brown. I just love the precision on this pencil and how it delivers like brow-like hair strokes. So we're going to take the spoolie portion, brush up our brow hairs. And then how I like to start is to outline the bottom of the brow. And then outline the top. And just like that, we have a brow. So first we create, the outline and the shape, and now we're going to fill it in. And just like that, you all, we have a brow. Super duper cute. I just love this pencil. Yes, she's expensive, but totally worth it. And we're going to quickly do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to stop and do a little skincare. I have the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. Absolutely loves this stuff. It just smells like a spa in a bottle. Dry it down. Also from the sale, I picked up the new to me Clarins Skincare Essentials Kit. It comes with their infamous double serum, their intensive wrap, and their total lift eye cream. Their full-size eye cream does run for about 95 bucks. So I'm like, you know what, let me start with the travel and make sure I really love it. But so far it does have like 5-star reviews, so I'm sure this is going to be a good one. I'm going to place a dot under my eyes, like so. And then using my ring finger, I'm going to rub that in gently. It feels very hydrating, nourishing, and cooling. Love it so far. And then over that, also from the sale, I'm going to set that with the Topicals Eye Patches. Okay, now our skin is all prepped. Next, another favorite repurchase is the Nars Cream Concealer. I had to grab another one and restock because my current one is running low. I use the shade Caramel, and this is what she looks like. And this is what I use to outline my brows, adding the perfect shape and definition. And these are my brows, perfectly outlined and shaped. Going into the same concealer with a buffing brush, we're now going to create a canvas for our eyeshadow. Look at the difference. So this eye is like perfect and ready for eyeshadow. It's going to be nice, pigmented, and pop. This one, it still needs some assistance. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using a palette that I picked up during the previous sale. This is a Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 palette. It's all mattes. This is what she looks like. Let's start with this middle shade here. Popping that right into the crease. Oh, this is very rich. Again, popping that right into the crease. Now we're just blending it out, sweeping motions back and forth. I picked up a bunch of Hourglass Concealers, so we're going to use this to cut my crease. Taking the lightest shade, Beach. Using the brush, I grabbed some concealer off. Because I really want the next eyeshadow that I placed on my lids to pop. Prep the next eye. Now that the eyes are prepped, I want to place this nude shade, kind of like my top, and place that on the lids. And just look at how pretty that is on my lid. Beautiful, just two eyeshadows, very quick, soft, glam look, okay? So next we're going to line the eyes with the Danessa Myricks Line Work eyeliner. So we just created a beautiful wing. Let's do the same thing on the other eye. I like to start in the center and then work myself across. Second, I like to create the wing. And then last, connect the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, just remember that your eyeliner and your eyebrows are sisters, not twins, okay? I try my best to get the both of them, you know, as equal and even as possible, but okay, it's time to remove our eye patches. My under eyes feel so good. A new purchase from the sale, I picked up the Oil Sucker Primer by OneSize Beauty. This is not my first time using it or trying it, but you all, it does suck oil very well. Like, it does mattify the skin very well. Just gonna rub it in with my fingertips, and a little bit goes a long way. Pat it into the skin. Okay, now that the skin is prepped, I feel that the primer is like very, you know, nice and dried down and tight. I love the feeling. I have the shades Teak, Flax, Maple, and Beach. Starting with Teak, which is my skin color, I like to go over the lips, up my cheekbones. Next, I'm going into Maple, right above that. Just a little bit. It's a little bit lighter, good for, like, you know, brightening and highlighting. And then I'm going right under the eyes with Flax. I'm going to allow these to sit down and dry down a little bit while I do my eyelashes. I have my Amazon mink lashes. I'll be sure to link them down below. And we're just going to start by tacking them down in the middle, like so, and then tacking down the two ends. And there we have a nice pretty mink lash. Same for this eye. The lashes are beautiful. It is now time to blend all the concealer out. As you all noticed, I do not wear foundation, you all. Yes, concealer only, and it still creates a beautiful, flawless look. So we're going to blend everything out with a damp sponge and set everything with a powder puff. The powder we'll be using today is the OneSize Sweet Honey. And we're going to start blending in the order that we applied it. So the dark colors first. I totally forgot to add some Teak down the bridge of my nose. How could I forget? And a little bit on my forehead. Oh, you guys, I'm rusty. Clearly. I'm gonna add a little bit more over my lip. This concealer is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So unfortunately, I lost the footage of me blending out my under eye concealer, but you guys get the point, the same tapping motions. So I'm just going to go back in to ensure we have no harsh lines. And then we're going to grab our powder and our powder puff and set the under eyes immediately. I know it looks crazy on camera, but we're just setting all the areas that we had the concealer. Next, we have another repurchase, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the shade 410. Brand spanking new, so you know I had to pick up one during the sale. This is my favorite face powder. And I just like to add this everywhere that I don't have product. So my jawline, under my neck, my forehead. Time for bronzer and contour. I'm going to use the OneSize Bronze and Sculpt Trio in the shade Dark. Baby, I'm snatched. Just look how rich that is. So pretty. So I just mixed all three of these shades together to create the perfect bronzer contour look. And we're going to do the same thing to contour my nose. But first, let's brush away some of this setting powder now. Just like so, so pretty. To emphasize the nose a little bit, I'm going to go right back in with the setting powder on the side. Just to sharpen the contour. Just like so. For blush, I'm going to be using the Nars Orgasm X. Now let's dust away the powder on our face completely. Super pretty. For highlight, I'm going to use the ABH Sunset Aura. It's a loose highlighter. On my Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cheekbones. Going back into that same eyeliner from earlier, we're going to add our moles above the lip and under the eye. Just like so. From this set, I picked up the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. Super bougie. This is what she looks like. So I'm going to be adding that to my bottom lashes. I was in the market for a new mascara, so I'm like, why not go luxury? Oh yeah, this is pretty. Very dark, low effort. Next, I picked up the infamous Until Dawn setting spray by OneSize. I went with the travel size, so I'm going to set the entire look. For lips, I picked up the new Fenty holiday release. This is their Gloss Posse Volume 7 Trio. This set features their two existing shades, which is the Hot Cherry and the Fenty Glow. I'll be trying the new one in the middle called Dragon Mommy. It's like a pretty peach color, very similar to the blush that I'm wearing today. But first, I'm going to line my lips with my favorite Sephora dark brown lip liner in the shade Molasses. I also picked this up during the sale, 30% off. So we're going to wipe off the passion fruit lip oil. Ooh, that's pretty. This lip combo is so pretty. So the final step that I always like to do is go back into my eyebrow pencil and darken it up a little bit because of the powders. And then brush them to make it look a little bit more natural. And because I'm feeling a little bit extra glam tonight, I want to add some rhinestones to my eyes, okay? I picked up this 6-pack from Shein. So taking my lash glue, I think I want to add one in the center above. I turned my lights down so you could get a better look at the rhinestones. So pretty. So yes, y'all, this completes the final look featuring all the new products that I picked up from the Sephora VIB sale this holiday season. I absolutely love how the look turns out. What do you all think? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Every time Sephora is having this savings event, I have to be a part of it because why not try to save on new products that are coming out or restocking on products that you love. So please be sure to comment down below. Let me know, do you own any of these items? Will you be picking any up? Let me know, let me know. I'll be sure to list each and every item that I used during today's video down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience. And as always, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below to get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.